Welcome to another Get Ready Traders live session. I am your host, Luis Rodriguez, and I am excited you're here. Today we are doing live technical analysis and stepping right into the futures market. Whether it's NASDAQ, gold, US30, or even crypto, we will be looking for the best trading opportunities as they set up in real time. If this is your first time here, buckle up. The market moves really fast, and we'll be breaking it all down with a clear, efficient approach in 90 minutes or less. Before we get started, do me a huge favor. Hit that like, subscribe, and share this session so other traders like you can join us. I really appreciate your support. All right, the markets are moving, familia, so let's get started and enjoy the session. Good morning. Your friend, your educator, Luis Rodriguez, live on a Wednesday, familia, live. What's going on, Tony? Hello, my friend Lisa. Hello, everyone. All right, familia. It is a very, very, very crazy day today. A lot of volatility happening in Asia last night. The market was expanding a little bit more. But you guys see London, what's happening here? I'm looking at NAS right now. Not a lot going on, which is a little bit concerning to me. So why is it concerning? Because I want to check this here quickly. Unemployment claims came higher. This number should trigger price to come even lower, but I think the market is going to continue pushing a little bit higher for the rest of the day until this area is met. Like all of this here needs to be mitigated. So let me see from here. Let me see, quickly check this area here. Okay, here to here. All of that. Let me turn off some of this stuff. This was a previous analysis that I had. I've been watching this market for some time now, trying to understand like how is moving in one direction. We nailed it yesterday with what we wanted to see out of the market, coming down and now going up. But from that point all the way up, like you guys see this size of this wick, it tells us pretty clear the intent of the market. When you guys look at the market at the back, and you guys see strong rejection areas, the strong rejection area, like with the wick, it tells you the purpose of the market, the intent of the market, but already happened here. All of this, right? All this thing moving up. But it gets to a point that there's no more buyers around. There's no more buyers around, so they need to find those buyers again. That's why I'm trying to understand the purpose right now. This area here, a lot of resting orders around here, but it needs fuel to get there. So just reading the market and going through what happened here across Asia and London, that's what I said. All right, this was London. Not a lot of movement, consolidation around here, heavily consolidation, but Asia was truly having some movement last night. So, and today's Wednesday, that's the other part of this. Today's Wednesday, the market like to consolidate quite a lot on Wednesdays. So what the market needs to go and continue pushing to the upside fuel, obviously. Resting orders, potentially around here. Let's just read the market so you guys understand what I'm talking about. I'm going to eliminate a lot of these lines. All these drawings going. I'm just gonna leave the indicator so you guys can see the sessions. Okay, this is Asia high, Asia low, right? Right now we're in the pre-market range. Everything is just moving around this range right now. That's why we want to see it. All right, so Asians started trading around here, buying the market, buying, and I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame. You can go into the 15 minutes and you can see more details. So stop loss probably around here, buying, up to here. Okay, you guys don't see any drastic pullbacks at all. The market was just pushing up. If I was trading in Asia, let's say I'm somewhere in, China, Japan, India, whatever, and I start trading all this stuff with algos or automatic, whatever you call it, you think I would move my stop loss here on that push? Yeah, maybe yes, maybe no, because this was not a drastic push to the downside. So that's why there's always a mix of things happening in the market. Some traders will, some traders won't. The market moved all the way up there. That's a very, very good chunk of transactions that could be aligned around here. But look what happened. London kicks in, pushing the market down. If you didn't move your stop losses, you're still in the game. But if you did, you're out, completely out. Look at that. The price pushing back up. Probably the people that had their stop losses around this area, pushing the market back up. Not enough orders to keep pushing the market down. Then went lower, seeking for more. Found some there, pushed the market back up. And guess what it's doing right now? Pushing the market down, seeking for more. You see what I'm talking about? It's seeking for more fuel to push the market higher. But where is it grabbing this refuel, these resting orders that are coming through? From anybody that started opening transactions around here, or even around here. That probably, if you started somewhere along this area here, you're probably dragging already your price all the way up. That means bigger transactions somewhere around this area. So yes, the market needs to come down before continue to push up, as I said, to fill this area here. You guys understand that? So my bias definitely going down as a scalper intra, ultimately to fill the area on the very top. But let's take a look at where we are in Elliott wave. Again, Elliott wave is a strategy. It's not, it's not how the market moves, period. No, it's not. That's why Elliott wave gets invalidated all the time. But when we can track a very good Elliott wave, we understand that the engine behind it is probably also doing Elliott waves. It's like we are trying to find out the brain behind this. So let's see. Elliott wave 1, 2. That's it. 1, 2, 3, that's a 5. So it needs to do a correction that got invalidated here. This is a correction that got invalidated. So restarting the Elliott wave here again. Why it got invalidated? Because this push already broke this here. So Elliott wave 1, 2 potentially. Okay, this is the highest point. And why I'm counting Elliott waves down? Because it's doing a correction, pushing down. Right, it's doing a correction, pushing down. What broker are you using? I'm using right now. I have 4 that I am trading as we speak. But yeah, let me actually open my broker. I was not even. We got 17 minutes before the market open. 1 second, I gotta open my broker. Yesterday the market was moving everywhere. Second, opening all my brokers. Broker in trading view. I'm using Think Masters. It doesn't matter, honestly. If I'm doing this analysis for futures, then I just switch to my futures, which I can. He's gonna show you the same thing. Look, now I'm in futures. CME in futures, and I got my brokers loaded. And okay, I guess we're good. We are good. So again, let's see the areas of the market could potentially come down before pushing back up. Again, it's Wednesday for me. It's the middle of the week. So you might see a little bit of manipulation here before doing the expansion, continue to the expansion of this. But it's doing an Elliott wave 2. If it breaks this point, completely invalidated. So going here, 1, 2, like that. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let's see if it's going to respect that. Right on the 78. I don't know. We got a few minutes for the market to open. Saying it's continuing to do this, but it's all about liquidity. It's all about closing, resting orders, or finding order blocks. It's all about executing what is already in the charts behind it. Like, we can't see it, but if you start tracking down the volume and the explosion of how big and tall these candles react in certain areas, you can understand the amount of transactions that are behind it are going to give continuity to the price movement. Oh boy, what is this? Not sure why. In my broker, the price is moving way faster than this. Must be some delays going on here. It's the part that I don't like about. If I go to this, let me see. You see where the candle is? Wow. I was in futures, and now I am in CFDs. But honestly, this is what I want to see. I don't care about the price. I really don't care about this. I'm gonna keep it here. Anyways, again, going to the 15-minute time frame. Halo wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pushing it down. This is the roadmap in a large. I'm looking at the 15-minute time frame. Okay? Let's make that valid until the best part of this is that if we set any trade, we can go short and say, you know what, whatever happens, I'm gonna put my stop loss around here and live with that. Whatever happens, I can do that. Oh my goodness. Very short stop loss. I'm gonna go short. Okay, so here. I'm gonna go short on this one. If the market decides to push up, it's okay. If it break this zone here, if it does break this, I'm gonna switch my hat. I'm going to buy the market on a retest, only if it breaks the Asia highest point. But it will be a very short trade because all it needs to run, honestly, before a reaction, all it needs to run is this here. That's all it needs to run before a high reaction to the downside. Or it could truly just be a fake out, take everybody out, and push everybody down. So we got to watch for that. That's why my stop loss is a little bit higher here. Just to avoid those traps, but I don't want to miss this. Okay? Just to avoid those traps. If this thing can truly come, turn, and kill everyone. A good recommendation is to put your stop loss where you think everybody else is going to get a stop out. But the market is constantly conditioning your mind. It could react to this and then go down. So how can you do this type of trade? This is what I'm saying. If you don't want to get in here and you think the market will come and break this zone, then you can do this, right? Totally valid, okay? But the chances that that will happen are very low. It could. You still have a percentage. Let's say if from 1 to 10, you have 8%. No, sorry, from 1 to 10, you have 8% that is gonna go down from this point. But 2% telling you that it's gonna go up, and you want to live with that 2%. Say, hey, I'm gonna take that chance. This is what you would do. Put it higher, where everybody's gonna get stopped out. You enter, but the chances that that will happen are lower than you taking it from here, right? With a step lot, a lower lot size, because you have doubts. And if the market comes higher, take another shot, right? You keep taking shots, 3 shots, doing a stop loss until things start turning. And again, you have to evaluate. Let's say the market break this entire thing and you're like, okay, like you're going in a negative. At that point, it's your decision to say, I'm gonna cut it, but cut it very short. I'm not trading this, flipping my hash, then going with the trend. And when you're going with the trend now, you are increasing your contract. Instead of one contract, make it 3, make it 2, whatever. And whatever you lost here, you're already in a recovery mode very fast. And whatever happens here, let's say from here to here, the market decides to push up, going up. From here to here, now you are with a bigger contract. You're recovering whatever you lost here with a small contract. You're recovering now with a higher contract. Right away, you move your stop loss to break even to protect what you already earned, right? And if the market decides to turn around, and because it was a trap, totally fine. You get out with some money. You understand? That's the kind of stuff that I do a lot. So I tell everybody, I win even when I lose. Like in trading, you have to like be very quick with those decisions. 6 minutes before the market opened. So I'm gonna enter right now where it is. I'm entering that trade to sell, okay? It's probably gonna go oof, break that and do some weird things, and the gameplay that I told you is probably gonna be in motion. I already gave you a game plan, all right? That's exactly what I'm gonna do. And I'm not going to be reading the chat because I need the screen to put one of my brokers there. All right. So, okay. All right. So remember, I'm not reading what you guys are typing right now. I got several brokers on my screen. Waiting for the market to come alive, and 5 minutes. I'm gonna say this, and I'm gonna quickly look at gold while that's going. Ooh, look at that. Gold. So familiar, you know what to do here. We don't change our game plan with gold. Gold is coming down. You guys see it. It came to the D. It's doing the D pattern, going down. Sorry, the E pattern. He's doing the E pattern. You guys see it? Well, let me. I don't like to modify things, but this is so you guys can visualize it. This, you see? I had it here before, but it's here. So you guys can visualize this, okay? That's on gold. It's doing an E pattern, and it should come lower. As I said before, if it breaks this area, then the run is gonna be very far on gold. But familia, this is our Monday, not Sunday overlook trade. It's already hitting all these DPs. I'm gonna delete this. This was on Sunday, gone. It's already done deal, but now it's completed and it's gonna turn around. It needs to turn around, not in one candle. No. It's gonna go up and down, up and down, up and down. Do a lot of crazy moves before going down, okay? I'll keep it safe as well. That's for gold. So I'm providing you with the direction of the market. All right. And I am going short with NAS right now. I am a very good profit. We got 3 minutes for the market to open. Let me maximize this a little bit so you guys can see what's up. I will be securing my profit if it hits that opening range like here. I sold the market exactly on my entry. I will be closing. I will be moving my stop loss to break even if it hits this area and closing partials there, okay? and it's going back up, giving you guys another opportunity to get in. Let's see. Ooh, this is a pre-market condition. Remember from me that the gameplay that I told you I'm gonna do. So I'm okay taking the stop losses. And this thing is gonna move everywhere. Okay. Okay. My God. We got 1 minute for the market to open. Let's see. Wow, it's literally, is this an elevate 2? It's almost completely invalidated because it got to that level there. Wow. Okay, 30 seconds for the market to open. Doing a little bit of a pullback. Let's see. As soon as it breaks this, I'm out of the trade and flipping with a full contract to recover. All right, we got 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Fire. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see. Wow, it's going everywhere right now. All right. Come on. Probably is gonna go to the upside. Let's go. Oh, yes. Yes. Are you ready? Okay. On one broker, I did pretty good. The other one is not. Okay, I am flipping in one. So I flip in one, took a stop loss, and already recovered. Exactly game plan that I told you. It's happening too fast. It's really hard to do this. I got stopped out, got in another one, recovered the losses. Fake out, complete fake out. Wow. For scalping, you gotta have a really good game plan to do this. That was a complete fake out there. Let's see. I got out, but I got in profits. I got out, I got in profits. So I got only a contract and open it 5 contracts from here to there, recover that loss and profits. Let's go. And I'm out of the trade, but on my other broker I'm still running it because it didn't hit my stop loss. It's finding huge resistance there. All right, let's see. Yeah, I'm out of that trade. That was a big jump to the sky. It's expanding quite a lot. Didn't come at all to the downside, to the areas that I wanted to see. I'm still holding that position, by the way. I'm still holding that position because I'm trading that with only a contract, an 150K account. My other account I got out with $815, which is okay. Oh man, come on. I'm only trading one contract, so I can. It's gonna come down. Like, there you go. 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 Come on, do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. It's just the start of the session, familia. So it's only 4 minutes. Trust your trades, my friend. It's crazy how like trading 4 brokers at the same time, 4 different platforms. My other account, I'm trading it by risk, not by an area. So I'm okay. So far, okay. Still holding there. Still holding. I think if it breaks this zone here, I'll be out. If it truly breaks it. Remember, only buyers have kicked in. You haven't seen any sellers really doing much, and it is Wednesday. That's why I'm still holding that position on the bigger account that can hold that like crazy on one contract. Oh boy. My other account, the 50K account, that one is very far. Already up by 5,122 after the buffer. And the buffer is ×2. Literally, that 50K account right now is sitting just like any other 150K account from Take Profit Trader, literally. Because in Take Profit Trader, the truth is, it's 150K, but what they're giving you, it's like 4,500 bucks to trade when you open the account. Buyers are not moving. And sorry for me, I'm not reading the chat right now. I am truly focused on the trades. I just it's gonna continue pushing to the upside if they don't fall now. Like, hello, fall, my friend, fall. Fall like a hot potato now. Again, it's just the first 7 minutes of the market. We have a long way to go to that. How to win? Small contracts. So let's see, and I am going to be in profit very soon on my 150Ks. profits. Aiming profits already. Profit, 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 profit. Yes. Woo. I told you, you gotta trust your trades. You gotta trust your trades. You gotta trust your trades. You gotta trust your trades, familia. Oh man, I got out. I got stopped out. I got stopped out right now. Oh man, that was crazy, crazy, crazy. And I only won because I was trading one contract. One contract on a 150K account. And that push gave me, hold on, let's see. That push gave me $77. $77 times 4 because I got 4 accounts. Times 4. I'm happy with that. I can't complain. For those who are there, oh man, I need to make $3 million in a day. Nah, hey, listen. Even if you make $20, be happy with that. It's a blessing that God is giving you, my friend. To have the opportunity to sit here and make some money and learn at the same time. But right now it seems that the market wants to keep flying around the same area and not taking a direction. So if it gives me a little bit more volatility, this is what craziness and madness of the market kicks in, and I love that. But it needs to give me a range, and I don't see it happening yet. It's working on it. I'm gonna go to the 1 minute time frame so you see what I'm talking about, and I hope it does it, because that's when I hit the market the hardest. I hope it stays within this range, but I need to see clarity on that. Because if it happens, I'm gonna destroy this market. Okay, so 16, 24. If this happens, I'm gonna destroy this market. It's just the ATR is not too high right now. It's very low. I'm not seeing that happening. So let's keep watching. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna delete this so visually you guys don't get all confused. Liquidity sitting on the top of the at the bottom, and my bias is still bearish. Okay, what I mentioned before, my bias is still bearish. Engineer move to clear stop losses here. All right, tunnel focus right now. It's time to make money. I'll show you guys here where I'm at right now. That's a 50K account. So 815 bucks up on that movement that I told you guys. Okay. And the other one just at $77 because it was just one contract. So that's good. So this 50K account has $5,122 on top of the buffer, I guess. And it's playing out, familia, playing out just like we wanted. But I am not in the trade yet. I'm reading the market to see what it's going to do. If it's going to give me a range, I'm going to kick it hard. But if it doesn't, we gotta be careful. All the indicators are showing something completely different than what the market is doing. Why do I say that? Look, these are the EMAs. Everything is showing that it's kind of like pointing up. But the market is telling you something different. Right? So that's why you have to be very careful with indicators. It's better to just read price action. It's just better to read price action. All right? What do I mean by a buffer? So when you pass an account on a prop firm, you need to build a buffer before you do any withdrawals. So I'm going to be able to withdraw money on this account tomorrow because you got to have 5 consecutive days with profits, and here I have already 4 was yesterday, so today will be 5 consecutive profits. So I've been winning every single day since last week, but only to withdraw 50%, and then it's gonna be like that for the next 30 days. Not 30 days, the next 30 consecutive wins. After that, you can withdraw 100% because they move you to a better live account, I guess. After 30 consecutive winning days or more than $150, then you can withdraw 100% of your money, and you can withdraw. I believe the requests are daily too. That's what I read. I don't know. This broker is new to me, but a lot of my trader friends are using it, and I'm getting good references from it. They're having really large withdrawals too by multiple accounts. A friend said to me that apparently you can only withdraw a max of 5K per account, but he has a lot of accounts and he's doing copy trading. I'm not sure how, but apparently he has like more than 20. I don't know how he's doing it. This broker only allows 5 per user, so I have no idea. I need to find out what are those big guys doing out there with this broker. I know everything about Take Profit Trader. I'm doing it. I've been trading Take Profit Trader for the longest time, and I withdraw there daily, so I have no problems with them. This is a new broker to me that everybody's using, and everybody's putting their heads on this, and hey, why not? I need to diversify. I cannot be trading the same brokers all the time, because if something happened, then I'm out of the game. So I am funded with a funded next too on the bot. The bot is just super slow right now. Slowly, but already the bot got that account funded, didn't do anything. And now the Top Step and Take Profit Trade. Okay, so only $77 on this account. I am very, 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 very calm, not trading. Waiting to get a better reading. I'm not getting anything right now. And what am I waiting for? I'm waiting to see how this thing is going to evolve. If it's gonna bounce out of here, and if it's gonna bounce out of there, then it's going to be consolidating with this range, and that's what I want. Right now there's nothing confirmed, only hitting 1, not working on number 2. If it goes down, now I'm getting a confirmation that will be a range. And if it is a range, familia, you know how we do it. But ES 500 is pushing higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. Pushing and higher, going higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. That's ES 500. Hey, thank you so much. Awesome. I got my trader's coffee. Hey, May's here. Oh, she went to work? I thought she was gonna come. Oh. Alright, I'm getting a confirmation now that it's not doing anything. Familia, be careful. ES 500 is moving higher. ES 500 is moving higher. NAS follows. So if it goes down, let's focus in buying the market, okay? Let's focus in buying the market. Let's focus in buying the market, okay? ES 500 is just pushing higher. So NAS, if it comes on a pullback, I'm gonna tell you, right? Because I'm watching ES 500 very closely. So NAS is holding there strong right now. You gotta be careful, because then if ES 500 pulls back hard, then NAS is gonna drop like a hot potato, going down hard. But if that's not the case, then we gotta watch. We gotta be careful, okay? What is Mr. Bot saying? Mr. Bot. Robot, give me a hug. Let's see. What is our automated opportunity seeker looking? Nothing. He says no on the 24th is the last time I asked him. Today's the 26th, so looking. Nothing. Oh, found something. He says to buy. Look at that. He found an opportunity. It says to buy 2502. 20 what? 25207. 207. It needs to do a pullback to buy, yes, but it's too late already. It's pushing higher, already breaking the highest point here. That alien wave here got completely invalidated. Like this here, it is completely invalidated, and it's pushing higher. So this, no good. It's starting all over again. See what I'm talking about? You have to be open for that. You can't be set your mind to that's the only way it is in that period. We created a game plan for the morning, right? It played out okay, but completely shifted away. I can't set my mind to no, that's the only way, and I gotta like marry this thing because I spent 15 minutes. No, you gotta change and go with what the market is telling you. All right? The market's telling you a different story of what you thought. You have to switch your mindset. Right now, I don't have a game plan because everything changed. All right, look at that, a drastic pullback, very drastic pullback. And this is what I'm talking about. Remember what I mentioned here? This entire area needs to be filled up. Look what the price is to filled up, familia. It's right here. It's laid out. I told you guys, if we break this zone here, boom, it needs to fill all that up. But double top, right? Double top. And what I'm telling you, my game plan was originally to come down here first. That's not the way it played out, so I had to switch my hat and go with plan B, right? Plan B. Look how far this thing went on a buy. So I'm buying the market again. I'm gonna go with what our bot said right now. So he went there. 207, 207, 207, 207. Wow, it's super low. Get ready to buy Familia at 207 on NAS for futures, okay? I am gonna go. It's pushing higher and higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. That's a pretty crazy rejection from the top, so I have to be careful. At some point this thing will collapse, and at some point this thing will collapse, okay? Especially because what happened in the past before. Huge rejection out of that zone, huge, and this is the second time it's mitigating the zone, okay? Then probably our plan A becomes our plan B, and our plan B became our plan A. The S500 is falling hard, 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 hard. Everything is falling hard right now. Likes. Everything is just falling really hard. The S500 is finding resistance on the top and is now working its way down. I need to lower that down, it's too high. Well, familia, this might be it. Let's see. It's coming down too hard. What happened with the S500? Wow. Coming down like a rocket. That says very strong rejection. Wow. ES500 is completely turning to the other side. That is crazy. Come on, move up. Stop playing with my feelings and move up. Okay. Not rejection from the bottom. I'm not sure if that's gonna be enough fuel. Maybe. ES 500 is fighting it. It is fighting it. He wants to move up. There you go. Oof. I'm not sure. That's a typical Wednesday for you guys, familia. As I said, market will consolidate in a range for quite a long time. To win here, you gotta lower down those contracts to let the market expand and move and do all that stuff. But it's gonna be repeating itself in so many times on the same spot. In order to win, you gotta lower down the contracts. You gotta lower down those contracts. Wow. That's a very strong rejection of ES 500. And it is coming down hard. That's it, familia. I think it's playing out the way we mentioned before. That's a very strong rejection out of the market. Huge rejection. I don't think it's gonna come back up at all at this point. It will be very hard to see that coming back up. Well, that's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Wow, it's coming back up. No. Trying to find out what is this thing doing. Something is going on with my take profit, with my top step. Is disconnecting my, what's going on with top step? Is disconnecting my API? Huh? Something weird is happening with my broker here. It's disconnecting my account a lot. I don't understand. It's going back up again. Network error. Please try again. Network error. Please try again. Like, what is? And he's moving my. I have a trade on the sell. And it's like moving my stop loss. Like I'm not doing any of this. Like, what is this doing? I don't have any trailing stops. I don't have any of that activated. And I'm trading my top step. It's saying network error. And it's like constantly moving my trade. And I am not doing any of that. Oh my god, I hope API disconnected. I hope I am not getting hacked on this. Like, what happened? I don't understand. Completely don't understand what's going on. But anyways, ES 500 is finding buyers at the bottom. I hope this is not, like, why is it doing this? Oh my god. API disconnected, attempting to reconnect. And he's moving my, oh my god, are you kidding me? I have an open trade that is not doing, I mean, refresh, maybe. I'm connected, right? My top step broker completely died. Like I cannot do anything. Are you kidding me? I have an open trade and like, look, it's completely gone, like blacked out completely. What? Like I can't do anything. What is happening here? Oh my god, don't. You know what? I hope this thing doesn't turn and I get a stop loss. It's like I can't do anything. My broker completely. This is so crazy. Wow. I opened a trade and I couldn't even put the brackets on or anything. And it's not like, look at that, familia. I am dead in the water. Like my screen completely went black with a running trade. Oh my god. And that's how an account get lost. Seriously? Okay, so top step. I wonder if they do that when you're hitting them hard. Yeah, the broker is completely dead, like completely dead. It's not coming alive, it's not doing anything. Like, look, I'm trying to, it's just, that's the dashboard. It's not loading. Please go back. I'm freaking out here because I have been running trade that is it's like a wild missile in the air, in the water. Like, you know what? No. I'm gonna talk to customer support about that. And I hope they gave me my money. If something happened, my God, I am freaking out. Oh, Dios mío. No. No, come on, no. Are you serious? Oh my God, no way. Familia, like I can't, like my broker, like I'm pretty sure I'm out right now. What I am concerned is the fact that I had an open trade. But that push there probably got... Ay, Dios. And that's why, familia, you gotta look for good brokers. Is everybody else having the same problem? Anybody with Top Step? Jesus. Well, good thing I'm not trading my other accounts. Let me save my screen here. Because I have no idea what's going on. So you're having the same problem, Josh? I'm probably out by now. I'm probably like... Network error. Please try again. Can't do anything. I really hope they give me my I don't know, by now probably the account is burned. Like God knows. God knows. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just saving my screens here. It's a lot of money. It's over $5,000. I opened a trade. I couldn't even put the brackets on. I couldn't do anything. That's how $5,000 fly away. But I will if I go into their site, the dashboard loaded is slow, like very slow. It's just not loading, literally. Good thing it's only fake money. Good thing it's only fake money. It says on my dashboard that it's trying to load account balance $4,467. It just opened, but nothing is loading. I am sure right now, probably the account is gone, for sure. I have no idea. Like this push here to the upside, probably kill the account. Probably. High probability that it did. Error loading statistics. Oh my goodness. I gotta save all the screens. Can't do anything, my friends. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Hey Josh, can you talk to your friend and find out if he's having any problems with his broker? Take Profit Trader have done that before with Tradovate, but very not like that exactly. More like this is a long time, a very long time, and I'm pretty sure the account is blown out by now. Or something silly happened. Like I just don't trust when I see this. That's okay. It's not about the money, it's about my time. It's pissed me off. I was gonna give this account to my daughter anyways. Not a big deal. It's just 5,000 bucks. All good. But that thing just completely threw me off. My mind right now is not even there. That completely threw me off. I cannot think about anything else. On the positive side, I know that the trades that we closed today were positive. Like I made 800 and something dollars on this account, and then the other ones 300 and no 70 no $221 on Take Profit Trader. So that's good. That's more than good enough. I'm gonna leave it alone. When they get back, they get back. if the account gets blown, is what can I do? Out of my control. I'm pretty sure I have the screenshots. Customer service should do something about it. If not, I'm not trading I'm not trading them anymore. But familia, I'll get back to you guys and the VIP in the afternoon or tomorrow. Okay. For now, I am not gonna trade anymore. I'll see you guys later. Peace. Have a wonderful rest of the day.
Goodbye.